Are you tired of chasing online money-making mirages? Sick of clickbait promises that evaporate faster than your hopes? Welcome to WealthWalk, where we cut through the noise and deliver cold, hard facts about earning real money online. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a method that's got everyone talking, making cash by watching videos. But here's the kicker. We're not just rehashing the same old tired advice. We've put our money where our mouth is, testing and verifying 7 legitimate methods that could turn your idle screen time into a steady stream of income. If you're ready to separate truth from fiction and start your journey towards financial freedom, stick around. This isn't just another video, it's your roadmap to turning pixels into profits. Let's cut through the noise and address the glaring issue that plagues the online money-making world, the plague of unrealistic expectations. You've seen them. Flashy thumbnails promising astronomical earnings, $1, $2, or even $5 per video watched. It's time to pull back the curtain on these claims. Here's the unvarnished truth. These promises are either born from ignorance or crafted to deceive. The harsh reality? You won't be raking in dollars for every video you watch. Anyone peddling such fantasies is either woefully misinformed about the industry or deliberately leading you down a garden path for views and clicks. But don't let this discourage you. The fact that you can't earn a fortune overnight doesn't mean there's no value in this method. It's about recalibrating your expectations and understanding the true nature of the opportunity. Think of video watching as a piece in your larger financial puzzle, not the entire picture. It's about leveraging your downtime, those moments when you're scrolling mindlessly through your phone anyway. Why not turn that time into a modest but steady stream of income? Moreover, this reality check serves as a valuable lesson in digital literacy. In an age where information and misinformation is abundant, developing a critical eye is crucial. Learning to distinguish between realistic opportunities and overhyped promises is a skill that will serve you well beyond just this venture. So, what can you realistically expect? While video watching won't replace your day job, it can provide a modest supplementary income. The key is to approach this opportunity with realistic expectations and a strategic mindset. Now let's dive into the 7 methods we've thoroughly tested and verified. 1. Volcano. This US-only platform allows you to rate movie trailers. It's entertaining but has limitations. With a $5 payout threshold and rewards and gift cards only, it's more of a fun diversion than a serious earning method. 2. App Karma. Available globally on Android, this app primarily rewards you for playing games but also includes a video watching section. You'll earn points for watching 30-second app advertisements. Use an invitation link for a 500-point sign-up bonus. 3. Sprout Gigs, formerly Pico Workers. As we discussed in our previous video, this micro-job platform offers a variety of tasks, including video watching opportunities. Available worldwide, Sprout Gigs has undergone a rebranding, but its core functionality remains the same. It's a marketplace for small tasks, and video watching is just one of many options available. The key to success on Sprout Gigs lies in careful task selection. Not all tasks are created equal, and some offer better returns for your time than others. As we emphasized before, it's crucial to read the task descriptions thoroughly and calculate your potential earnings per hour. Some video watching tasks might seem appealing at first glance, but when you factor in the time required, they might not be as lucrative as other options on the platform. Remember, Sprout Gigs is about more than just watching videos. It's a diverse ecosystem of micro-tasks, and savvy users often find that mixing different types of tasks can lead to higher overall earnings. Don't limit yourself to just video watching here. Explore other quick and easy tasks that might offer better returns. Also, keep in mind that as with any global platform, the availability and profitability of tasks can vary depending on your location. Users in some countries might find more opportunities than others, so it's worth experimenting to see how well Sprout Gigs works for your specific situation. 4. Swagbucks. One of the most popular reward sites, Swagbucks offers video watching as one of many earning methods. It's most beneficial for users in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, France, Germany, and Spain. 5. Coinbase. This cryptocurrency platform occasionally offers high-paying educational videos. In one test, We earned $30 in just 20 minutes. However, these opportunities are limited and not always available. 6. Reward XP. This lesser-known platform offers competitive rates for watching videos through Loot TV and Hideout TV. It's available in most countries and is worth considering if you're committed to video watching for income. 7. Timebucks, a versatile earning platform with a robust video section. You can see exactly how long you need to watch each video to earn, and it's available worldwide. Now, let's delve deeper into why these methods work and how to maximize your earnings. The key to success in video watching for money lies in understanding the ecosystem. Companies are willing to pay for your attention because it's valuable in the digital age. Every video you watch contributes to market research, helps train algorithms, or exposes you to advertisements. By participating, you're essentially selling your time and attention. However, it's crucial to approach this strategically. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, diversify across multiple platforms. This approach not only maximizes your earning potential, but also protects you from relying too heavily on any single source. Consider creating a schedule. Dedicate specific times of day to video watching, perhaps during your commute or while waiting in line. This way, you're monetizing time that might otherwise be wasted. It's also worth noting that some platforms, like Coinbase, offer educational content. This means you're not just earning money, but also gaining valuable knowledge about topics like cryptocurrency. It's a double win: financial gain and personal development. For platforms like Sprout Gigs, where task selection is crucial, develop a system. Keep track of which types of tasks pay best and focus on those. Over time, you'll become more efficient, increasing your hourly rate. Remember, consistency is key. Small amounts earned daily can add up over time. Set realistic goals. Perhaps aim to earn enough for a small treat each month, then gradually increase your target. It's also important to be aware of the potential downsides. Watching numerous short videos can be mentally draining. Take regular breaks and be mindful of your screen time. Your health should always come first. Additionally, be cautious of platforms that seem too good to be true. If a site is promising exorbitant rates, it's likely a scam. Stick to reputable platforms with proven track records of payment. Consider the payout methods offered by each platform. Some only offer gift cards, while others allow cash withdrawals. Choose the options that best align with your financial goals. Lastly, don't neglect the potential for growth. As you become more familiar with these platforms, you might discover other opportunities. Many users start with video watching and then expand into more lucrative online earning methods. In conclusion, earning money by watching videos online is a real opportunity, but it requires the right approach and realistic expectations. It won't make you rich overnight, but with strategic use of the 7 methods we've discussed, you can generate a modest side income. Remember, the key to success in the online earning world is adaptability and continuous learning. Stay informed about new platforms and opportunities. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and those who stay ahead of the curve are the ones who reap the most rewards. If you found this deep dive into online video earning enlightening, there's plenty more where that came from. At WealthWalk, we're committed to bringing you the most accurate, up-to-date information on online earning opportunities. Don't miss out on our future insights. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy online earners. Together, we'll navigate the path to financial freedom, one video at a time.